Have you ever considered that humans might not be the only species to experience menopause? A question that may seem somewhat peculiar at first, but it opens up a world of intrigue and possibility. Menopause, a phase typically associated with human females, might not be a unique phenomenon to our species alone. Imagine, if you will, this biological event occurring in the wild, among our closest relatives in the animal kingdom, the chimpanzees. It's a strange thought, isn't it? But let's delve deeper into this fascinating discovery. In the heart of Africa's rainforests, scientists stumbled upon something unexpected. As they observed the everyday lives of chimpanzees, these curious researchers started noting peculiar changes in the older females of the group. Their routine observations began to chart a course into the unknown. Chimpanzees, known for their social dynamics and close-knit communities, were showing signs of change amongst their senior females. The older females were seen interacting less with the group, often keeping to themselves. And what was more puzzling was the noticeable decrease in their fertility rates. The once vibrant and active members seemed to be slowly stepping back from their traditional roles within the group. With these observations, the scientists began to connect the dots. Could it be what they thought it was? They delved deeper, studying the behavior and physical changes in these chimpanzees with a renewed fervor. They looked at everything from the chimps' eating habits to their social interactions, trying to piece together this intriguing puzzle. And then it hit them. The decreased fertility, the change in behavior, they were all signs pointing towards one direction: menopause. It was a surprising revelation. Menopause, a biological phenomenon so uniquely associated with humans, was now being observed in our closest genetic relatives, the chimpanzees. And thus, the astonishing discovery was made: chimpanzees, like humans, experience menopause. This unexpected finding not only challenged our understanding of nature, but also opened a new chapter in the study of primate biology and evolution. This revelation wasn't just surprising, it had far-reaching implications. Suddenly, we were looking at our primate cousins in a new light. This discovery sparked a frenzy of research and debate among scientists, anthropologists, and evolutionary biologists alike. The implications of menopause in chimpanzees are profound, particularly because of their close genetic relationship to us, humans. The fact that they undergo a similar biological transition offers tantalizing clues about our own evolution. It's like finding a piece of the puzzle we didn't even know was missing. Traditionally, the evolutionary view of reproduction posits that species should continue to reproduce until the end of their lives. After all, the main purpose of life from an evolutionary perspective is to pass on one's genes to the next generation. But menopause in chimpanzees, like in humans, challenges this view. It suggests there might be an evolutionary advantage to ceasing reproduction in later life. What could that advantage be? Some theories propose that older females might play vital roles in their societies even after their reproductive years. They could contribute to the survival and prosperity of their community in ways beyond giving birth. This is known as the grandmother hypothesis, a concept we'll explore in depth later. But for now, let's just soak in the magnitude of this revelation. We're not as different from our primate cousins as we once thought. We share more than just a genetic code. We share a life journey. This discovery opens a fascinating new chapter in our understanding of both ourselves and our primate cousins. But what does this mean for the chimpanzees themselves? Menopause in female chimpanzees brings about a shift in their roles within the troop. No longer responsible for bearing offspring, these females often take on a more nurturing role, caring for the young and offering wisdom to the group. Their status often elevates, as they bring a unique value to the troop's survival. It turns out, menopause isn't just a human phenomenon, but a part of life in the wild too.